Hello, welcome back. It's section 6, automating database operations. In this video, we'll have a look at how to design the solution. Basically, all we're going to have a look at is the idea behind this video. What is it we're trying to achieve by using a SQL database to store our data? So when we wrote our server report script, basically it wasn't doing much. It was querying the Active Directory for data, for server list, and it was querying each server for the data, and it was producing an HTML report and emailing it out. So it's all in one place. Now, in many production type environments, you have separation from people managing the infrastructure, owning the infrastructure, and people who need to access the data about the infrastructure. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to give a script that queries every single server to someone who just needs to know the output, because the script might fail and they won't know what to do with it, right? So these type of situations that you want to avoid. So what we're going to look at to do in this video, we will look to separate the script into two parts. So we will keep the server report script, which will produce the data and insert it into SQL database. And then we're going to have a look at another script which will query SQL database to produce the data. The good thing about this sort of solution is your data is generated here by a script that's maintained by your infrastructure team, let's say, and it's inserted in the SQL database. Now, anyone who needs to access the database, you can just give them a tiny little script that will produce a nice HTML report for them, or you can even go as far as just give them the actual HTML report based on their requirements. As long as you have this separation, it's nice and easy to share the data with whoever needs it. I hope it makes sense, and I hope you get the idea behind this video and behind this section, why we're using SQL database and why we separate things out.